Mhm. What type of improvement you are seeing?
Improvement in the sense that now I take things holistically, bigger
Mhm.
approach. And I also that peace of mind or while trading જે એકદમ પહેલા જે થતું હતું કે rush or that kind of feeling એ હવે થોડુંક ઓછું છે.
Okay.
So that improvement is there.
Mhm. Okay. And what about the morning routines? How do you actually feel this morning routines? How are they helping you?
Morning routine, so as I said earlier, I have now that like market aside, but at least morning routine I have taken it separate track only. So that I'm not leaving it. Since now we are on 22nd, so last 22 days consistently morning routine and walk and exercise thoda bahut. That is on track,
Mhm. Hmm.
which was not there before. Consistency usme to nahi tha at least. So now that consistency I have tried to get.
Again, change the language.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't try to get, but you will definitely achieve whatever you are thinking. Only
Right.
thing is that you need to be consistent on certain point.
Right,
Just
right.
think about it. Just think about it. Even when you are going to put the seed into the soil, how much time does it take before you can even see some sort of stem coming out? Is it not taking time?
Right, right.
Let me tell you one story of Chinese bamboo tree. Have you heard about the story of Chinese bamboo tree?
No, no, no.
Now, you put the seed of Chinese bamboo tree at one particular part of the field, and other part you put any other seed. Okay, and then when you nourish it, water it, give fertilizers to both the side, at the Chinese bamboo tree side and at the other side, you will actually see the other side of the field. Okay, everything happening, everything happening, and you will see that the thing comes in, and the harvesting, in fact, sometimes in 3 months, sometimes in less than 3 months, the harvesting will be there. But as far as the Chinese bamboo tree is concerned, you keep on watering it again and again and again, and nothing happens. The same time, same thing with our life. In fact, sometimes we keep on persisting on some things, but nothing happens. And at a one particular given time, you actually feel, am I doing the right thing? Am I at the right part? Why is nothing happening, in fact? But just think about one particular part. For the weed to grow, it can grow anywhere, even in the crack of the footpath. There could be grasses, yes or no? Think about it. It can grow anywhere. There is no efforts. But to grow an orchid, you will have to have a different approach. And that is the difference. There will be times when, as a human being, whichever path we are going in, whichever profession we are into, I'm not just talking about the markets, but whichever part you are into, you feel that you are at a junction where nothing goes right. You have reached a plateau. Now that is where you need to rethink, rework, and restart the whole process once again. The climb, it is going to be frustrating. It is going to be tiring. And for sure, it is going to be not easy also. Now, while eating for so many long years, we never had a thought that I am putting on weight. My stomach is coming out. I am just adding more weight into my body. You feel that, okay, I should do something. So you do it for 1 or 2 days, and that's it. After that, you are back to square one and you continue. यार कुछ नहीं होता है, जाने दो यार, छोड़ दो. And just imagine the piles and piles of thick, not the muscles, but the fat gets accumulated. Now, just imagine you want to reduce that fat which you have accumulated not in 1 or 2 days, not in 1 or 2 years, but many years together. How much time and effort it is going to take before you can see an improvement. Now, there could be a fast forward method also, definitely, but it cannot be overnight. Yes or no? It cannot be overnight that you may see that changes. In the similar fashion, okay, the bamboo tree needs to be watered on a continuous basis, and you will not see differences, not 1 year, not 2 years, not 3 years, not 4 years. And you will say, my God, what I am doing? It is 4 years now, but nothing is coming out. And that is the fact. And you may say, oh my God, let's forget about it. See, in this particular place, at the other side of the farm, I was able to harvest so many different things, and I was able to do something which was so superb. But at this junction, I have been doing this since the last 4 years, but no results. But
Then
you
we
say,
feel that, then we feel that are we in the right train, right direction, as you told.
yes, correct. But see, like I had given one example, you are in the train, but you are unaware of your destination. That also is going to create a problem. Now you want to go to Borivali and you are sitting in the train of Karjat. Yes, you started the journey from Dadar, but you are feeling that you are in this journey which at, and you are moving ahead also. Good enough. But your destination is not going to come because you are in the wrong train. So at a particular given time, you have to give your thought also. Okay, are you in the right train? Are you going in the right direction? If not, you need to change the course. Now, this is a difficult part. Believe me, this is one of the most difficult part for any human being, because everyone feels, oh, I am in the right train, not knowing the direction, because the destination was the same of what you are thinking, what you feel. But while the train is moving, you are unaware that the destination of this particular train is different. Now 4 years gone by, 4.5 years gone by, 5 years, and no result in the bamboo tree side of the field. And then one fine day, you see something coming up, and it is said that within not weeks or month, but within few days, the bamboo tree reaches the height of 70 to 80 feet. That is the difference. What changed? What changed? The bamboo tree, where it took so much of time to get the right foundation. It took so much of time that it was, when it started to grow, it was able to grow vertically so fast that in few days it could reach 90 to 100 feet. That is the difference between other trees and the bamboo tree. So sometimes it is going to be there that you may feel frustrated and you may want to quit. Chodo yaar, jane do. But you have left it at the last moment, which is the difference between the person who are into the game for a long time. Because that aha moment which comes in, the aha, oh, it was so simple and I was not able to get it. Okay, now I have got it. And that's when the journey of progress really starts. That is when you feel good about what you have done up till now. That struggle, that watering since so long comes into play. But till that time, you are not even aware what is going to be the right way, the right approach. So it becomes very important that you perceive, you progress in the right direction. If the direction itself is wrong, then whatever efforts you are doing it, okay, all that efforts are going to go waste. Most of the time, we, yes, like I said, we have to dream big, definitely. But then dreaming big does not only manifest, you have to work hard. Now, if you are doing an exercise, right, there are ways to do the exercise, but if you are doing it in the wrong fashion, you will not find the results. That is what you need to understand. Now, at one side, I'm saying you need to give a lot of efforts. At one side, I'm saying that you need to be persistent. At one side, I'm saying that you need to have the direction right. Yes, that is what the goal is all about. There are so many factors you have to consider, and that is where the coaching helps. Like I said, just think about one particular doctor. After his MBBS, he goes through the internship for one long year before he is actually getting his degree. But even after that, they stick to one of their seniors for a number of years, sometimes 5 years, sometimes 10 years. going through every day, along with the seniors, and then working on with them, not even thinking about the future. But that is what makes that difference. The senior with his experience, the junior tagging along with them, okay, that improves their experience, and that makes a hell of a lot of difference. That coaching from the seniors helps the junior to grow. Ask any doctor and he will say this, yes. However, in our life, we want everything instantaneously. आज सीखा, कल result. Think about that bamboo tree which we have spoken about. You need to nurture it, you need to water it, you need to give that fertilizer for 5 long years before you will even see the result. Now, if you leave this just like this, all your efforts are going to go waste. All your efforts are going to go waste. Now, why then people keep on failing again and again, and the new year resolutions pops up every 31st December, and on the 1st of January everybody has this enthu, and that fizzles out by the first week of February, because people will not see any result. Now, we have been together in this journey of the morning routine since the last 21 days. Fantastic. Now, you may feel that nothing is happening, but believe me, that small step which you are taking, just the small step, is the first point of you going in the right direction. Now, sometimes it will be painful, sometimes it will be frustrating, because the results will not be seen. Immediate results are not seen. But if you continue on this wonderful journey, the results will be there. Now, remember that you have put in lot of maybe negativity, maybe wrong learning, maybe wrong approach into your system, and each and everything needs to be corrected. The correction towards that is going to take time, energy, but once that correction is completed, the results will be seen for sure. Now, how fast that correction happens, how fast you realize what is the things which you are doing wrong, makes hell of a lot of difference. But if you say so that the bamboo tree needs to come in just 1 or 2 days, it is not going to be practically possible. So guys, it becomes very important that some things needs to be done on a continuous basis. Something you need to do on a regular basis. So that is what is going to matter a lot. That is going to matter a lot. Persistent, frustration, progress, whatever you are going through, you need to work on yourself. You need to be positive on whatever you are going to do, rather than thinking, oh my God, there is no result being seen. So, with this thought, remember the bamboo tree took 5 years before something could be seen outside, and then the progress was 90 feet in just few days. So to grow a weed, a grass, it doesn't take effort, but to grow orchid or a rose, it will definitely take that effort. So keep the effort on, because your dreams need that efforts. Your dreams need that nourishment. Your dreams need that extra from yourself. So be happy that you have conquered the mornings. Laugh a little more and just do this. Just raise your arms. Just raise your arms and pat yourself. Once you have done the first thing right, right? You have started the morning in the right fashion, in the right tune. You are doing your exercise. You are reading wonderful book. You are avoiding the mobile in the first 1 hour, and see the difference. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Thank you all for joining me on this wonderful journey. It is now 21 days. It is said that once that first 21 days goes, the routine really becomes better and better, right? So we have Angelo, Kunal, Nitin, Dr. Vardhan, and Vinodji over here. Love you all. Take care. And I will see you tomorrow morning. Keep the efforts on and see the difference. कोरोना से अभी भी बचना है, गड़बड़ चालू है. So I am sure that you are going to put in more efforts on this. The market journey will definitely continue. The ups and downs will be there. But to survive one more day with a smile on your face, that is what will make a hell of a lot of difference. See you tomorrow, 6 o'clock. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. Love you all. Take care. And today at 1 o'clock, we are going live in the market. So be there at 1 o'clock. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.